Okay, so factorize 8x squared minus 10x minus 3. Okay, so when we factorize, the method we use is we have two brackets. Because it's 8x squared, we put 8x into both brackets. Okay, and over here then, we do the multiply add thing. Now, because there's a number in front of the x squared, we times that by the number at the end. So 8 times minus 3 is minus 24. And then, so we want two numbers that multiply to give minus 24, add up to give minus 10. Let's just think of those two numbers. Now, 2 times 12, of course, will multiply to give 24. Okay, to get minus 10, I'd need to make that a minus 12, wouldn't I? And that a plus 2. That would give me minus 10, wouldn't it? If I put them together. Yeah, it would, wouldn't it? And then when I times them, it would give me minus 24. So, numbers are plus 2, minus 12. Okay, now, with this method, of course, we've got to sort of pay back. Because I times by 8 here, we need to sort of now divide by 8. And to do that, you look at each bracket and look for common factors. Now, in that first bracket, you've got 8 and 2. So clearly 2 is a common factor. So we can take out 2. So 2 times 4x give me 8x. And 2 times 1, yeah, give me 2. And then in this bracket here, let's look for factors here. And in fact, there's a factor there of 4, isn't there? 4 goes into 8 and 12. So we can take out 4. 4 times 2x will give me 8x. And 4 times, minus 3 will give me minus 12. Okay, so we've got that there. All divide by 8. And you notice then, on the top you've got 4 and 2, okay? 2 times 4 is 8, so we'll cancel that 8 on the bottom. 8 divided by 8. So we get 4x plus 1, 2x minus 3. Then it says hence solve. So basically we can use these brackets and put it equal to 0. Okay? When the bracket's equal to 0, we can say, look, either the first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. Okay? Because when you've got two brackets times together, or, you know, in a sense, when you've got two things times together and equals 0, one of those things has got to be 0, isn't it? You know, if we times two numbers together, the only time the answer is 0 is if one of them is 0. And it's the same here. One of these brackets has got to equal 0. So if 4x plus 1 is equal to 0, take the 1 over, minus 1. And then take the 4 over, divide by 4. Same here, take the minus 3 over, becomes 3. Take the 2 over, then divide, you get 3 over 2. We've got our answer.